mentioned that the 12 exemption will make you eligible to claim postgraduate diploma in public accounting or after completing 12 papers. 12 paper means if you are a BCom, 10 papers exemption and only 2 papers you will do, and then you can claim the postgraduate diploma in public accounting, which is called PGDPA. This is my certificate, and if you want to get the attestation, I have just asked them to send it. I have not get the attestation, but as usual, one of the fellow members, one more fellow member is sitting, I forgot it, Mr. Abdullah Burhan Al-Shamsi, I guess. He is also the fellow member of the institute. So, he got the attestation of his certificate from Ministry of Foreign Affairs and UAE Embassy Islamabad, and from here, this is his certificate. As usual, I always say, Abdullah, you are my guest of the presentation. You have to bring your certificate because I want to show your PGDPA. And till the presentations will be conducted and I will be the presenter, you will be my guest if you are here. So this is his certificate and it is attested. But my certificate, I just asked them for demonstration purpose. Then PGDPA, Postgraduate Diploma in Public Accounting. When you will qualify that exam, you will get the transcript or mark sheet. Along with that, you will get the course completion certificate. Now, what is the difference? You joined after your post-graduation and you got 12 exemptions and 6 papers, you qualified. Your transcript will show that the exemption of 12 and then the rest of the subjects, how many marks. Here, this is my, I did it in 2009 and that was old scheme. In the old scheme there were 14 papers, 8 exemptions and 6 papers, that's why my transcript shows. Now the question here is that if it is written exempted, how you will claim exemption from any other professional body or any other place? In order to resolve that issue and for the sake of benefit of the members, the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan also give a course completion certificate. That course completion certificate mentions that a candidate has completed the criteria of the institute in all the subjects, and this you can use as your transcript to get further exemptions. You can send it because the professional accountancy bodies, they never disclose the marks. You met the criteria, which is course completion certificate. And please keep in mind, if you want to get the attestation of any certificate that is available, you want to get the attestation of transcript or certificate or FC fellow certificate or associate certificate, whatever is, all are available from Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan, UAE Embassy Islamabad, Pakistan, and then when it will come you can get here. Here your part, there they will do. Pakistani consulate in Dubai or Pakistani Embassy in Abu Dhabi, as well as Ministry of Foreign Affairs of UAE. Associate member, after completing 12 papers as exemption or 12 and then 6 papers as an examination, you will become the associate member of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan, and you will get the designation of ACPA, you will get the membership number, and you will get this certificate, which is Associate Membership Certificate. This is my certificate. In 2009, I got it. M279 is my membership number. On the website, in the members list, you can verify also. If you want to verify, and these are the attestations. This is an old certificate. Old means that I am old. In 2009 I got it, and now the layout is changed. You will get this associate member of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan, and courtesy to Mr. Abdullah Burhan Al-Shamsi, I told that, Abdullah, my certificate is old and your certificate is new, bring it so I will show. And the attestations. My certificate and his. Then the fellow membership. As I told you, 5 years post qualification, fellow of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan. My certificate, I don't want further attestation. Just one attestation I got it, but my he asked the institute that I want attestation on each and every certificate. Mr. Abdullah Burhan is my student, is my friend, and he is the financial advisor of one of the audit firms, audit and accountancy established by the members of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan exclusively. All the members, all the partners are from the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan. Al-Salam Accounting LLC. You can get it, I think, along with the brochure, their details are also there. So, I am the lifetime member of the Institute also. There is an opportunity, and if you want to pay, because every year to retain your membership you have to pay the annual subscription like other professional bodies, but if you will pay a lump sum amount, you can get the lifetime membership. I paid that amount and I became the lifetime member of the institute. So why I am showing this, what is the objective of that, that you will get an idea that gradually when you will proceed in that qualification from stage to stage, from step to step, what you will get. So even you have semi-qualification in that, you will get something. It will not be that you have to wait at the end. No. 2 modules, 4 modules, then gradually. Those people who want to practice independent practice, accountancy, finance, audit, consultancy, taxation, they can apply for practicing certificate also. Institute will grant the practicing certificate. I just ask that, I am not practicing this profession, I am an educationist. At present, I am in the final stage of my Masters of Philosophy in Finance, and my final destination is PhD in Finance. I have not introduced myself completely, just I did my post-graduation 22 years ago from Delhi College of Commerce, University of the Punjab. I did my MCom. Along with that, I did my MBA, and I completed my post-graduation in cost and management accounting. In the year 2000, I got a chance to come to UAE. Since then, I am here. If I was in Canada, or if I was like Mr. Butt, so I was Canadian national, but here I am Pakistani national. So here, then I did that qualification, different postage certification I did. I am the fellow member of the Institute of Corporate Secretaries of Pakistan, also member of the Institute of Financial Accountants, United Kingdom, member of the Institute of Public Accountants of Australia, member of the Association of International Accountants. Step by step I developed myself gradually, and beside that I am also the member of Accountants and Auditors Association of United Arab Emirates. And I have first educational career which is still maintained. Even though I have a lot of job responsibilities and other, in my MPhil, I have still maintained my A grade. 82% is my grading which is going on, and 2 subjects are remaining. And I hope that, and I pray that it will continue. As I mentioned, that attestations, all attestations I showed to you. So this is about, for attestations you have to pay the attestation fee separately after your qualification if you want it. So attestation facility will be available. They will arrange, the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan also. Because nowadays the attestation, for attestation you have to go to the agency. So they have, and they will make it all and they will send it to you, the original certificates. Now, the regional recognition. Regional recognition means the recognition of the CPA program offered by the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan. At the time of start of my presentation, I mentioned that Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan is among the list of approved institutes by the Ministry of Economy of UAE for the purpose of external audit in UAE. This is the list of, in Arabic it is called Mudaqati al-Hisabat, the auditor. The list is there at, and on number 20, the name is. It does not mean that the rank is 20, no, in the list it is. Don't think so. Don't think so. So this is, and decree number 148 of Ministry of Economy of UAE in 2012. If you want to see the Ministry of Economy regulation, decree number 148, you will find that which they have passed and they heard it. And that the letter which they have issued, the copy of that letter is also with me, which they have sent the communication with ICPAB. It is in Arabic that we are authorizing the members, fellow members, to conduct. And I got the legal translation in English here. Legal translation from the legal translator who translate for Sharjah Code. That person has translated, and I kept it. Soft copy, if you will require, I will send it to you. All the documents, everything, if you require for your clarification, everything is crystal clear from my side. But sometimes if anything in your mind, I will send you all this. If you require it, the soft copies I can send it to you at any time. At any time does not mean that 2 p.m. in the night you are saying that I want this certificate. Send me an email, I will reply, definitely. So many audit firms established by the members. Our fellow member, Mr. Shafiqur Rahman, he established his own firm. Then there is one UAE member, qualified member. I don't know, he was busy, I invited him. Mr. Mansoor Al-Mullah, he is working in Dubai Police. My student qualified the exam under my guidance. He also opened an audit firm in the name of Excellence Auditing. And my co-colleagues, Mr. Abdullah Burhan is sitting, and Mr. Imtiaz, they have established their organization, Al-Salam Accounting LLC. So 3-4 firms are there.